Good morning. This is Irene and welcome once again to my channel. In this video, allow me to help you use positive affirmations to change the way you train. The mind is a very powerful contributor to any workout, athletic activity, or competition. Athletes understand this through thousands of sweat sessions. Exercisers and fitness fanatics can benefit from recognizing how their mind can positively or negatively influence their performance. Our thoughts create our reality. You can program your mind to think positive thoughts daily with these positive morning affirmations. Watch this video daily and repeat the affirmations to yourself for the next 30 days in a row to help your subconscious mind believe and feel these words to be true. Replacing negative self-talk with positive affirmations may not come naturally to some, but can be practiced and mastered. Spoken in the present tense with only positive words can help rewire neural pathways and the brain, which not only shifts our thinking but changes our behavior. Now repeat after me. I choose to take care of my body. I can take care of my body by exercising regularly. I am stronger than I think. I am grateful for my body and its abilities. I can accomplish my goals. I can accomplish any goals. I appreciate each new opportunity. I do not quit. I choose not to compare myself to others. I take care of myself with healthy choices. I am open to learning new activities. I am willing to and capable of change. I can drive my own success. My potential is infinite. I am in charge of my progress. I am unstoppable. I am brimming with energy. I am opening my heart to universal love. I am love. I am complete. I am flexible to changes happening in my life. The more accepting I am of change, the easier it feels. Change is a natural aspect of life. It's a sign of life, and I choose to live. I am proud of being unique. I am the only person on this planet with my fingerprints. I am me. There is only one me. And I choose to honor that brilliant truth. I am courageous. I am committed to take full responsibility for my health. I am enjoying my constant improvement in whatever I choose to do. I am a beautiful expression of life. I am who I choose to be. You are who you choose to be. I am safe. I am free. I am worthy. I straighten up my back, I hold my head up and walk like I mean it. I am open and allowing for positive things to unfold. I am a pure life force in a human body. I am life. I am surprising myself every day. I am bathing in the river of courage and strength. I am much stronger and powerful than any challenge. I am strong and balanced. I'm like a tall tree with thick and strong roots connecting deep into Mother Earth. I am in charge of my progress. I am becoming fitter and healthier. I am a powerhouse. Even if you feel like you don't believe the affirmations at first, keep saying them repeatedly before, during, and after workouts, particularly when you're struggling or you want to give up. Don't quit. Over time, you may surprise yourself as your positive self-talk helps improve your mindset, your workout sessions, and your performance.